Another Nigerian American excelling in her field of choice. Dehlia Umunna is Nigerian American. She was born in Nigeria and spent her childhood there before moving to the United States with her family. She has spoken publicly about her experiences growing up in Nigeria and how they have influenced her work as a legal expert and advocate for social justice. Dehlia Umunna's personal background and experiences have informed much of her work in the legal profession. In particular, her experiences as a young immigrant and person of color have inspired her to work towards greater diversity and inclusion in the legal profession. Umunna has been a strong advocate for reforming the criminal justice system in the United States, where she has argued that the system is often unfair and biased against minorities and marginalized communities. She has also been a vocal critic of the death penalty, which she believes is both ineffective as a deterrent and unjust in its application. In addition to her work at Harvard Law School, Umunna is involved in a number of professional organizations and initiatives aimed at improving the legal profession and advancing social justice. She has served on the board of the American Civil Liberties Union of Massachusetts and is a member of the executive committee of the ABA Criminal Justice Section. She has also been involved in efforts to promote diversity in legal education and has been recognized for her leadership in this area. Dehlia Umunna is a lawyer, professor, and the director of the Criminal Justice Institute at Harvard Law School. She is a renowned expert on criminal justice and legal education, and has been recognized for her work in training the next generation of lawyers to be more ethical and effective advocates for justice. Prior to joining Harvard Law School, Umunna was a staff attorney at the Bronx Defenders, a non-profit organization providing legal services to low-income clients in the Bronx. She has also worked as a public defender and as a litigation associate at a major law firm. Umunna has received numerous awards and honors for her work, including the Wasserstein Public Interest Fellowship from Harvard Law School and the Soros Justice Fellowship from the Open Society Foundations. She has also published widely on criminal justice issues, including in the Harvard Civil Rights Civil Liberties Law Review and the Yale Law Journal. Dehlia Umunna is also the author of the book Becoming a Law Professor, A Candidate's Guide, which provides guidance and advice for aspiring law professors. In addition to her work as a professor and legal expert, she is a sought-after speaker and has delivered keynote addresses at conferences and events around the world. She is also involved in efforts to increase diversity and inclusion in the legal profession and has been recognized for her leadership in this area. Umunna holds a bachelor's degree from the University of Michigan, a law degree from the Yale Law School, and a master's degree from the Harvard Kennedy School. She is a member of the bars of New York and Massachusetts and has served on a number of professional organizations, including the American Bar Association and the National Association of Criminal Defense Lawyers. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more content.